guys, it's your boy Tjpardy 239 back with another video. So today we're gonna take right from the reaction grind, and we're gonna go with some origami. So today I will be showing you how to make an origami ninja star, or you can call it a shuriken too. So for this fold, you'll need 2 pieces of paper. Also, it's a one-sided ninja star. You need 2 pieces of paper, right? So first, right? So you get your piece of paper, right? You fold it like most origami. You fold it in half. Make sure it's creased really good. And what you can do to crease it, you can either use scissors, or you can use a book, or anything that with a hard surface. So I like to use books because I have no nails, or you can use your nails, you know? So you can like crease that. See, it's that line down the middle, like crease, and you do the same with the other piece of paper. Okay, so once you have this, you're going to fold it in half, right? Make sure this side is up, not this side. So what you're going to do, turn around so that this side is facing you. And you're going to fold that in half, like so. Make sure it's in half correctly. Make sure to crease it well, use a book. So it should look like that. So next is you get the same. So now you get your other piece of paper. Okay, so now once you have 2 pieces of paper that look like this, now what you're going to do is you're going to fold these in half. So what you do is like you get this. Just fold it in half like so, and it should look like this. Do you see that crease right there in the middle? Yep. And do the same for your next one. Okay, so now once you have both pieces of paper looking like this, now what you do is you get so now this is like very important, right? Do you see this side right here? I have like on this side. So make sure that this part right here is facing you. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold. Now what you're gonna fold this up. Make sure it folds on the crease. And once you do that, right, you're going to get this part. Just fold it on the crease. Make sure they're lined up. So it should look something like this. So if you open it up, it should look like this. And now you're going to do the same for your other piece of paper. Okay, so both papers should look like this, right? If you line them up, they should be like this, kind of like mirrored. Not mirrored, but yeah. So you take this side, right? So on this side, you have to turn it around, right? So do you see this flap right here? You're going to fold this down. So I'll show it again. This part right here, this corner, over here. Make sure it's kind of sharp. Also, guys, make sure you're creasing this stuff, right? And now turn around. Get this part right here. Get this corner. just fold it down. Make sure it looks like this, and then just do that. Right? So now what you do is you see this? Just fold it in, crease, and get the other part, and fold it in. And this is a completed module. And now I'm going to do the same for the other module. Okay. So once you have your two modules, right? So what you're gonna do is you're going to get this module and this module. You're gonna put your first one like this, kind of like this, to make sure it looks like this, and then get this module, and you're gonna make sure it's like this, and put it on top of it, so it should look something like this, right? So now you're gonna fold your bottom module. For me, it's red. You're gonna fold it down, and then fold the one that's on top over it, right? Okay. And so now what you do is you're gonna get your bottom module, fold it over your top module, so it should look something like this. Now get this module. Right? Okay, this is kind of hard, right? So do you see this opening right there? Do you see that opening? Like, do you see this one right here? You're going to get this piece, and you're going to fold it into that little pocket. Gotta really get it in there. And you have made your one-sided ninja star, or shuriken, whatever you want to call it. And also, if you wanted to, you could also blow on it. You can also blow on it. It kind of looks like it's kind of spinning, right? So I'll show you an example of that. Ready? But it always doesn't work. I guess I didn't make a strong model. Well, I will see you guys later. My playlist of origami will be in the description, and I hope you guys have a good day. See you later. Bye.